Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. My name's Jean and I'm going to show you how to outline a stroke in Illustrator iPad. So I'm going to start off by drawing a circle and I'm just going to change the stroke to 12 points. You then need to go to the object icon on the right and select Create Stroke Outline. And then if you go to the selection tool, you can now see that it's become an object and no longer a path. Well, that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this helpful, drop me a like and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful videos. And if there's any particular thing that you need help with on Illustrator, just drop me a comment and I will make a video for that. Okay, see you later guys.